Listen and repeat. Oh, I've got nothing to eat at home. I haven't got anything fresh to eat. I need to go shopping at the supermarket today. First, I'll make a shopping list. I need to drive to the supermarket. First, fresh produce. I'll buy loads of vegetables. I need to buy lettuce. I also want to buy tomatoes. And onions. I could make myself some grilled sweet peppers. Broccoli and carrots are both very healthy and delicious. I'm fond of corn. My favorite thing to eat is avocado. My favorite vegetable is eggplant. I also like mushrooms. I can cook some cream pumpkin soup. Now I want to buy a variety of fruit. Actually, I prefer buying fruit at the market. Watermelon is very refreshing. I enjoy eating blueberries and raspberries. Strawberries are very healthy. I really like drinking orange juice. My favorite juice is mango juice. In the summer, I also like having a good lemonade. Pineapple is my favorite fruit. Kiwi and grapes are also very tasty. For breakfast, I like to eat bananas. I can take apples to work. Fresh meat section. I want to buy bacon for breakfast. I could cook chicken breast. I also need some ham for delicious sandwiches. At the weekend, I can barbecue some sausages. I'm craving a delicious steak. Turkey is perfect for Christmas. Fish is a healthy alternative to other types of meats. I should also buy some eggs. Cereals and yogurt will be for breakfast. I mustn't forget the milk. I like to eat bread with butter and jam for breakfast. I nearly forgot to buy cheese. I'll get one bottle of wine in case I have guests. I also mustn't forget coffee and sugar. I'm nearly out of salt and pepper. I'll take the opportunity to buy toothpaste and soap to wash my hands. I mustn't forget the toilet paper. I need to buy shampoo too. Now I need to go and pay. I can pay at the checkout myself. I can easily pay by card. I need to queue up to pay. The cashier is really nice. I prefer to pay cash. I bought a lot of things. The receipt from the purchase is quite long. I don't like using plastic bags while shopping. This purchase was pretty pricey. I enjoy shopping at the supermarket. I always buy healthy and fresh food. Have you noticed which sections I was shopping in today? First, there was the fresh produce section. Here you can buy fresh fruits, vegetables, and sometimes herbs. Secondly, I was shopping in the fresh meats and seafood section. This section offers various cuts of meat, poultry, and seafood. It might also have a butcher's counter. You can request specific cuts here. I picked up eggs and milk in dairy and egg section. Here, you'll find milk, cheese, yogurt, butter, eggs, and other dairy products. I grabbed a bottle of wine in the beverages section. This section can also include water, sodas, and juices. Flour, sugar, baking powder, and other baking essentials can be found in baking supplies section. The bakery section offers a variety of fresh bread, pastries, cakes, and other baked goods. In frozen foods section, you can find frozen fruits, vegetables, ready-to-eat meals, ice cream, and other frozen products. And what do you usually have in your shopping carts? Let me know in the comments. Have happy grocery shopping. Goodbye.